Hey guys, welcome back to the AutoHound, and today I want to thank Ira Toyota of Danvers for letting me drive this 2024 newly restyled Toyota Prius. I never thought I'd say those words, and I'm excited to drive a Prius, but look at this thing. It's amazing. I love the swoopy lines. I love the back lights. I love how aggressive it looks. This is insane. This is the LTD version. It's got 196 horsepower out of this little hybrid all-wheel drive. Look at it. Look how cool this is. And check out this. Look at these lights, how they just come over and around. How nice. This is awesome. So let's get under the hood. Let's get inside. Let's take it for a drive. Let's do all the fun stuff we're supposed to do in these cars. Well, there you go. Your little 4-cylinder engine with the hybrid. How neat is that? That's such a nice looking underside of a car. Again, nothing extravagant. They get the nice little insulation underneath, and then you put it down. Sounds nice and solid. Nice little thunk coming around the car. Really nice sporty rims on it. The all-wheel drive. The gray is just killing me. I love it. Oh my goodness. I like the little shark fin up top for the antenna. Also over here, if you just grab right there, look how much room you have in the back of this car. That's pretty cool, huh? So, a lot of room in the back. You could put a ton of stuff in for groceries. Push that right down, and it comes right down for you. How nice. I like this neat little feature here where you get the hidden door handles to save a little bit of aerodynamic issues there getting in the car. All right, the seat's all the way back, but if the seat's just a little bit further up, it has way more room than you would think it does. It has the moonroof here, and it has the sunroof right here, and it has enough room for 5 people right in the middle. Has a couple of cup holders, and down here it also has heated seats for the back. I love that. And it has the USB ports. I've been really excited to get into this car for a while, so I'm looking forward to getting you guys along for the ride. Nice little back seat. A little tight for me, but that is something with small cars. But still love it. Passenger side. So you can see right over here the glove box. Very neat. And it's got the deviated stitching right here. It has the nice little accents on the top here to make it look like a different, almost like carbon fiber with the leather dash. Very nice. All right, getting into the new 2024 Toyota Prius. Has your adjustable seats that you can set for yourself, and it also has, of course, your windows and your mirrors. Down here you have your adjustable seat with the lumbar bolstering, which is great. This is a brand new car, so that's why the plastic is on the seat. We want to make sure we keep this nice and clean. Down here you have your hood, gas, trunk, and over here you have your automatic high beams, your defroster, and your heated steering wheel. This is, of course, for your trip odometer and your dash controls up top and the adjustable steering wheel. Getting in the car, easy peasy. So starting it up, you have the little push button start here. 1, 2, 3. And way up there is your dashboard. I love that. It's like far away, but not too far away. And over here you have your infotainment screen. This right here is your engine. This is the hybrid. This is the battery. So that's how much battery life that you have in it right here. And this goes up and down. It's all-wheel drive. So when you press on the accelerator, these will go to all 4 wheels, and then it will determine front wheel or rear wheel bias. Kind of neat, right? Down here you have your modes for your radio. Over here you have your volume controls left and right. You have your adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and you also have the just regular cruise control settings. Over here on the dashboard, you can go up and look at what your averages are. So on this side you have your directionals, and over here you have your wipers. This also is your high beams on it. All right, Toyota has a neat little feature. You take this, pop this over, pull it down, you're in drive mode. You can change your modes. So you have custom, sport, normal, and eco mode. So eco is going to give you your best gas mileage, normal is normal, sport is fun, and custom is how you set your car up. Pretty neat, nice little features. And you can go back. We're going to go into sport mode and get it up on the highway. Let's rock and roll. And what I was saying a minute ago, we're in the parking lot, so we could just look at this. This nice guy's nice over here, but you can take a look and you can see how the energy is going to the front and rear wheels at the same time, and that's on that little screen right there. So I like that a lot. It's a nice little feature, shows you, you know, what you're doing with the car, where the wheels are, if there's going to be any slippage or whatnot. All right, so this is not your daddy's Prius. Prius has been around for quite a while, I think since 2002, 2001. I'll have to correct myself on that. You'll see a little thing right here at the bottom of the screen. But it has been completely redesigned. It's been completely redone. They thought of everything. They listened to their customers, and Toyota said, we're going to make an amazing hybrid vehicle for the masses. And boy, have they hit a home run with this car. I was surprised when I first saw it. I'm like, there's no way that's a Prius. Prius has kind of just always been known as a little egg car. It looks like an egg. Not this one. This is a sporty little hatchback, and I cannot wait to get it up on the highway to see what it really can do. I love how far away the actual instrument cluster is. It's way up there, it's in front of you, so you're not going to need any heads-up display, and it gives you all of your information at a glance. You still have, of course, your controls down here where you could change things around in your settings, and of course you have this little center stack for your infotainment system. It has the heated and cooled seats, it has the climate control. All of those things are in the car. So those we've gone over in the Toyota Crown that we just covered on Wednesday. So if you haven't seen the full coverage of that, please go check out that video. On this one right here, we're about to jump on the highway and see what the new 2024 Prius actually has. First thing I want to say, it's really responsive, especially in sport mode. It's all-wheel drive, so you feel sure-footed and nimble. In addition to that, it's really light. Like, it's really light in a good way. It's super sporty feeling. When I put it in the sport mode, I think the steering just kind of jumped up a notch. So we're going to just try that down here and change out the mode, and we're going to go to eco mode. Yeah, definitely the steering gets a little bit softer in eco mode versus sport mode when it just tightens right up. Whew. All right, so merging in traffic isn't a problem because you get all the blind spot monitors, traffic avoidance. Of course, like I mentioned earlier, it has the adaptive cruise control, and boy, is this thing fun. It's just, oof. Okay, I'm liking this a lot. It's really comfortable. It's nimble. It's very agile for a Prius. I can't believe I keep saying it, but wow, this is amazing. And you know, let's see. Wow, the downshifts are instant. Again, you get 196 horsepower. It's not a world beater. The revs are nice. There's a part of me that, you know, wishes this was a standard because I like standard shifts, but you know, they've done a very good job at Toyota with their transmissions and how well they're designed. They're virtually bulletproof. You know, unless you put NOS in it, like one of my favorite YouTubers did, Hoovie from Hoovie's Garage, put NOS in his Prius and blew it up, which was the funniest thing I've ever seen. And at the same time, I'm like, wow, I should do that someday, but I wouldn't do that with this one. This is wow. All right, so enough with the wows, I guess. It downshifts quite nicely. It's waiting for response from me. I got under 50 miles an hour and it just downshifted automatically. which is very nice. With the all-wheel drive, and it's just downshifted once again. With the all-wheel drive, you definitely feel a lot of confidence as you're going into corners and how the truck handles. We have somebody right next to us. Blind spot monitor, let us know about that. And the cornering on this car. Let's try that, shall we? Yeah, that's pretty nice. Wow, it's really robust. Super corner, yeah. That is good. That's a good feeling. Really confidence inspiring, especially in sport mode. Oof, yeah, this is super nice. And I think what I like about it is, you know, I thought it was gonna be a little heavier going into the corner, and it's really nimble. I'd like to take this on autocross. I really would. I think it'd be a lot of fun. This would be a ton of fun on an autocross course, on the little curvy, windy, twisty back roads. This is a treat. Boy, did Toyota listen to what their customers wanted and said, okay, we don't just want something basic, simple transportation. We want great gas mileage, but we also want to make sure the, you know, we're having some fun in the car. Get a little bit of rev hang when it's in sport mode, only because it wants to keep going faster, so it's holding itself down. So we're just going to go to eco mode and let the car do its thing. You know, after you get your first impressions of the car, that's where you start to make a determination as to whether or not you would buy one of these for yourself. I would buy one of these for myself in a heartbeat. This is a really nice car, and it's super efficient looking, and it's aggressive looking. It has all of the features that you would want in a daily sports car, and at the same time, you're going to get 50 miles to the gallon. Kind of can't beat that. It's got instant torque, instant acceleration. Really nice. And we're yielding into here. And here comes our first nice hard stop. And I do like to do a hard stop every now and again just to make sure that we have solid brakes. Brakes are a little softer than I'd like, but they could be tightened up a little, but I just think that's because it's a brand new car. They need to break in, and I'm not going to beat the crap out of the car. Wow, amazing. All right, so we're in sport mode, and let's go. Very nice. It certainly gets out of its own way. That's a nice feeling. Well, I gotta tell you, you know, if you're in the market for a new Toyota Prius, or any new car for that matter, I'd buy this Prius if you're looking for a small little fun hatchback too. I also want to thank my friends at Toyota of Danvers on Route 114. They have tons of cars in stock, so come on down and see them. I'm really super impressed with this car. It's got a lot of fun driving to it. They actually, I think this is the first Toyota I've ever driven where I could say it has soul to it. This is a really super designed, comfortable car, designed with lean technology. You know, they really listened to what their clients wanted, and they delivered. They hit a home run with this car. They really just, I can't express that any more than that. So if you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, it's about the drive. So, and right down here you see the shifter. I like the shifter because it does that. It has to come over and around. I love that feature a lot. Pressing down right here is neat. Of course, your drive modes are right here. Your auto hold is right there. Your EV mode, as we talked about, it also has your charger for your phone. And inside here, it's got a couple more USB ports. Pretty neat. And look, the infotainment system, neat, very functional. Over here in the climate control system, is, again, super functional. I like the little light up bar that's right there. That's kind of cool. And you get that little kind of ambiance light. Other than that, this has been a great car.